Hello everyone, this is me Rashmi Ojha. Welcome to Nixie Ki Pathshala. Today we are going to study about kinds of nouns. So let's get started. Kinds of nouns. When we talk about noun, in the previous class I told you what is noun. Noun is a name of a person, a place or a thing. Okay, so let's see what are kinds of noun. When I say kinds of noun, what are they? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person or a place. Suppose if I say Ram, Sita, Lakshman, these are name of persons. Mumbai, Delhi, Indore, name of a particular person or a place. When I talk about a particular person with their name, specific name, then they are proper noun. Okay, let's move on to common noun. Common noun is a name that commonly used for every person or a thing of the same class. Suppose if I say boy, girl, teacher, doctor. Here I am not specifically or particularly telling you a person name or a place name, a boy. I am not telling you its name. So it can be any person. It can be anyone, any boy, girl, it could be any girl. Here I'm not telling you the specific name. Same as doctor. Okay, so these are called common noun. Proper noun, common noun. Ram, Geeta, Mumbai. Here I'm classifying it like boy, girl, city. So here you can see that this is also a boy, this is also a boy. So what is the difference? Here I am telling you the particular name, but here I am just telling that it's a boy, it could be anyone. Here I am telling you the name of a girl, Geeta. Here I am just telling you a girl, so it could be any girl. Here I am telling you a place name, particular name, Mumbai. Here I am just telling it's a city, it could be any city. Okay, so let's move on to collective noun. Collective noun. Collective noun is the name of a number of person or things taken together as a whole. When I was telling you about the proper noun and common noun, I am talking about an individual. But here you can see that in collective noun, I am talking about a group of something. And basically when I am talking about more than one person in plural. Suppose if I say army. What I mean when I say army is group of soldiers. Okay, so let's see other example. Bunch of flowers. The police disperse the crowd. Flock of sheep. Say here you can see that bunch of flowers. Here I am talking about more than one flower. The police disperse the crowd. Crowd is also a group of people. Flock of sheep. So here also a group of sheep is called flock of sheep. Okay, when there are more than one thing in plural form, we usually collectively classify it as something like a bunch of flowers, the police, crowd, flock, army, jury. Jury is also a group of judges. Okay, so this is how we classify the collective noun. Let's move on to material noun. When I talk about material noun, all those materials that are present in our surrounding or in the earth that we extract from the earth for our own use, like wood, metals, non-metals. There are so many things. Everything that we use are made up of these raw materials that we get from the earth. When I talk about material noun, what is material noun? If I say, here you can see that when I talk about furniture, it could be one furniture or it could be many, more than one. Okay, furniture, that's why I am talking about multiple things. That's why I have used are. Furniture are made up of words. Okay, so I have used words. She is wearing a gold earring. Plastics, etc. Everything that we gets from our surroundings or from the earth. It's called material noun. Okay. So let's move on to abstract noun. Abstract noun is when I'm talking about a person's quality or any action or state. Abstract noun is the name of a quality, action, or a state of a person or a thing. Okay, suppose if I say, when I mean quality, what I mean is it could be someone's kindness, bravery, honesty, humbleness, etc. If I say action, like happiness, sadness, judgment, hatred. If I say any state, like childhood, poverty, etc. When I'm talking about state, I mean a particular phase, like childhood, poverty, teenage, youth. When I'm talking about abstract noun, I mean a person's or a thing quality, action, or state. Okay, suppose if I say honesty is the best policy, or Ashok is a brave boy. Okay, so you can see that here I've used honesty, brave. Okay, so this is abstract noun. That's all for today. I hope you guys understood what is kinds of nouns. And if anybody still have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.